Hey food lovers, welcome back to Jacinta's kitchen. Today we are cooking sliced eggs, just a different and exciting way to enjoy your eggs that you can serve with anything. So let's dive into it. I'm going to start off with, heating our pan and then adding oil. And so we're going to make sure that, the oil is evenly spread. We're going to add in the eggs that we had whisked. I had whisked earlier, or should I say I had given it a good bit? I don't know, but blame my English teacher. So we're going to cook one side, and then we'll cook the other side too, Flip to the other side, so that this other side can cook too. The egg had its own plans, but we move. Tell me why it will refuse to cooperate. Both sides are well cooked, they're okay. You see? Yes. So we're going to slice our eggs. You see that way. I just roll them and then slice them. In the same pan, we're going to add in onions. Yeah, they're like finely, or should I say chopped a little bit. So yes. Then we're going to add in oil. And we're going to let them cook until they give us that golden brown color. And our onions are ready, so we're going to add in our blended tomatoes, and we're going to let them, let it cook. We're going to let it cook. That part that we add in salt or whatever spices that you have, you can add them too. So by me, I used, my curry powder and salt. So you can add whatever you feel like adding. We're going to give it a proper stir and let it cook again. To add in our sliced eggs. We're going to stir everything and then give it time so that it can be ready. And it's ready. I was meant to serve this with rice, but tell me why the ugali side won. But wait, it's okay. We move, yeah? Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious vibes from Jacinta's kitchen. See you in the next one, and thank you for watching. Bye.